Hi everyone, so welcome to today's video. This video has been done in collaboration with Madison Reed. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying their at-home hair color. And of course, you guys know I love to color my hair. I go to the salon, and I decided that I was going to go ahead and partner up with them and give Madison Reed a try. So what I'm going to do is sort of take you through the process of how to apply it, how to process with the color in your hair, and kind of give you like a glimpse of how I applied this color. I did it this morning, and I will also put in the description box the colors that I used. I have two different shades that I used, and I did a 50-50 mix of both of the shades. And what's really great about them, before we get into the actual tutorial, is that they provide you a luxury salon hair color, and you can do it at the convenience of your own time, in your own home, whenever you have the time. You can get one box, you can sign up for a membership and get it auto-delivered, which ends up being a bit cheaper than doing a one-time box, and you can have that set up to be shipped to you whenever you are ready. So if you color your hair every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, whatever it is, you can have that customized to how often you color your hair, which I think is really awesome. And I have enjoyed working with them so far. When you go on the website, Madison Reed, I'll have the website linked down below for you. They will ask you 15 questions about you and your hair goals, what you'd like to accomplish, and then based on that, they will give you a perfect match. So for me, my shades, and I've been working with them back and forth to finalize the two shades that I wanted to select for this, my first use, and it was the Trieste, I think that's how you pronounce it, red, and the Rimini Garnet. So I did 50-50 of that, and so I'm going to go ahead and take you through the tutorial of how I applied it and got to this look, and then I'll meet you back. Alright, so here's my before. As you guys can see, I have visible roots, and this is the overall color that I had before from a salon trip that I did several weeks ago. And so to start off, you want to divide your hair into 4 sections to make it a little bit easier to color your hair. You want to apply the barrier cream. This is going to remove any stains afterwards, and it really does work. So I applied it to my hairline and to my ears. And these are the two shades, Trieste Red and Rimini Garnet, that I'm mixing into the developer. So I have 50-50 mix, and then I'm going to shake the bottle up really well to incorporate the hair dye and the developer. So what you want to do is start with one section and applying it to the roots, and as you can see, I'm massaging it into the roots and doing it in sections. So I'm working in the front part of my hair first, and then kind of massaging that, and of course getting my hairline, because it is a bit stubborn, so I need to add extra color to the hairline for me personally. And in the front is where I have most of my gray hair. So as you guys can see, it's just pretty easy. It blends really well. It's easy to spread this color throughout the hair. A little bit goes a long way with the color. And so I'm just working in sections, making sure everything is very well coated, and I'm working with the roots first. And then I'm going to just clip up the hair once I'm done applying it to the roots, and I'm going to repeat the same process in each of the 4 sections of my hair. So here I am moving on to the second section and applying it to the roots and massaging it in and making sure that the roots are really well coated, because that's where all the new growth is going to be, and just kind of working that into the sections and working from the front and then work my way towards the back. Alright, so once the roots have been processing for quite some time, I'm going back to section number 1 that I started with, and I'm applying the hair dye to the rest of the hair, the remaining hair that does not have anything on there. So the midsections to the ends, and I'm using my hands. You will see me massaging this in. I do this in every section, and I think it's really important to massage the hair and really evenly coat it so that you get a nice even result at the end. And I'm massaging it in, as you can see, with my hands and using the comb. I'm relying heavily on this comb to help me really disperse this product, so I can only use a small amount of hair dye and cover that entire section really evenly. So again, just working it in and making sure everything is well coated, and using your comb would definitely help you as well with keeping everything nice and even as an overall color. And then once I'm done with those sections, I will do the same process, repeating it in the second section, the front of my hair, and then working my way towards the back. So once each section is done, I'm going to combine it and kind of create like a top knot with the hair on the top of my head and use the cap that's provided. And I'm going to apply this or put the cap on and process for about 35 minutes. And then this is my overall result after I have washed and dried my hair. I use a shampoo and conditioner that they sent me for color preserving, and it makes my hair feel really silky and soft. As you can see, it's a beautiful shade and it's completely even from root to tip. Alright, so that is how I applied the color. It is so easy to apply. Like I said before, it's easy to spread and get that color really nice and even. This color is a bit darker than what I had before, and it turned out darker than what I expected, but I will say that I do like the color. It's a really pretty kind of dark red with some violet tones in it, and when I go out in the sunlight, it is actually really pretty the way it glows in the sunlight, and I think that's really pretty. And it's a very even color from root to tip. I let it sit for about 35 to 40 minutes and got to this result. My hair, it feels really soft and very, very smooth and silky. I use the shampoo and conditioner that they have provided. And when you sign up for this, they will send you everything that you need. You get your gloves, you get your barrier cream, you get your cleansing wipes. You get everything that you need. Of course, the developer to go along with your hair color tube. So everything is really neatly packed in a box, and they send it right to your home, and I really enjoyed it. And I think that this is a really awesome service to sign up for anybody who wants to do hair color on your own. It's very easy. If you feel like it might be intimidating, it's not. It's very, very easy. Also perfect for anybody who has a busy lifestyle. If you're always busy and it's hard to kind of find a time to go to the salon, this is a great thing, and for me this fits right into kind of my busy schedule as a mom. I also have a coupon code for you guys to use if you're interested in signing up. You get 15% off your first order and also free shipping, which is great. So the coupon code will be in the description box. It's Lexi18 for 15% off, and I think that's really great, and I do appreciate them for doing that for you all, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I really like this. I can see myself signing up for this service and paying for it myself. I love the fact that they give you salon quality at home. It's a 6 free hair dye, so it's free of harsh chemicals. It's free of all of those bad things that you don't want in your hair color that sometimes you find in other products or hair colors. So thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you've tried Madison Reed, please let me know in the comment section what your experience has been, if you love your color, how long have you been with Madison Reed, and just kind of give me your feedback. I'd love to hear from you guys. You can follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram. Don't forget to follow Madison Reed as well. They have social media, and I will have everything listed for you in the description box, so expand it, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye-bye.